Hey guys, Jangsa here, and welcome to the official LKS Discord navigation tutorial. If you haven't already, make sure you join our Discord via the link lokistonks.com/discord or our shortened link lks.gg/discord. We have roughly around 100 channels in LKS. The higher the tier you choose to join, the more resources you unlock. Now I know it can be overwhelming with so many channels, especially if you're new to Discord or trading in general. So I'm going to make a multiple part tutorial walking you through the entire server tier by tier. Alrighty, let's head over to the LKS website. So LKS was founded just over 3 years ago, and we were rewarded Discord partner status as of May 2021, as you can see here. And we've gone from initially 5 members to just around 30,000 members at this time of recording. We started out as more of an options trading focus group, but over time expanded to cover all markets and time frames. We have over 10 analysts that specialize in different trading or investing styles, and all with an education first mindset when it comes to guiding our members. You can read more on our notable traders at lokistonks.com/analyst, and you can filter by trading style. Alright, now let's quickly go over the LKS premium plans and what each tier offers. Okay, so if you go to lokistonks.com/premium, we actually have a channel breakdown right here that you can click into. Obviously, I'm going to be making a multi-part visual tutorial to go in depth and show you live on my Discord account, but if you wanted a quick browse, you can always just refer to this PDF document that goes over all the channels that are included in each tier. So our lowest tier is gold, and it comes with everything you need for stocks, options, and crypto. So that includes daily watch lists, day trade, swing trade, investing alerts, the market chat, which is our most active channel, as well as DD trade idea, and so on. Platinum is just everything you get in gold plus futures trading, and diamond tier is a full access pass to the entire server plus the VIP rooms, which I'll go into in later videos. Next, I'm going to take you over to our WAP storefront, which is where you can subscribe and manage your membership from there. Pro tip, make sure to sign into WAP via your Discord account right here. That way, once you subscribe, it will directly link to your existing Discord. Authorizing and getting access to the Discord will be super easy after that. And then if you sign up to our newsletter, you get a 10% off code, so make sure to do that on our website. Lastly, LKS is known to be a super fun and tight-knit community, so don't be surprised if you find yourself online chatting with other members after market hours about daily life. Alrighties, I'm going to conclude this intro video. Make sure you join the Discord if you haven't already. In the next video, we're going to hop into the Discord and give you a channel by channel tutorial and rundown. So make sure to go through this tutorial playlist and find the video that answers your question. Alrighties, I hope this helped. Make sure to follow us on all of our socials. Welcome to the LKS family, and see you in chat.